Yeah, hi. Finally, I am out on my own YouTube channel and for a right reason. Because in this video, I am thinking to explain the derivations of surface areas and volumes of particularly cube and cuboid. And in the upcoming videos, we can have the derivations of other three-dimensional structures as well. So for cube and cuboid, I have got a cube and then a cuboid. So these are the things that I got it from the things in my home. This is a mobile box which is in a cuboidal shape. A cuboid is almost like a 3D rectangle. You can see all the faces are in the rectangular shape and it has 6 faces. It's almost like 4 sides and one top and a bottom. So now for this one, let us try to prove the surface areas and the volumes. First, let us pick up the surface areas. We have two kinds of surface areas. One is lateral surface area. Lateral means sides. And then there is total surface area, which includes both the sides and the top and the bottom. So let us pick up the lateral surface area. For that, let us have a side here. So here we call it as length. So I marked it as L, and this is height H. We have breadth as well. So L, B, H are these 3 dimensions of the cuboid. So let us have the lateral surface area. So we shall find the area of each rectangle first. So I've got this rectangle where this is length and this is height. So the area will be length into height. It's almost like L into B. So L into H here. And then we shall turn it here, base, breadth and height. So B into H. And we shall turn it here. We have got L and H again. So L into H. And then we turn it here. We have got breadth and height. So B into H. So we have got the areas of all the lateral sides. Now we move on to the topper one. We have got length and breadth. So the area will be L into B. And in the back side as well, which is the bottom side. So here also we have got length and breadth. So L into B. Now that we have got all the areas of all faces, we shall try to derive the formulas from here. Yeah, now we have got a cube. Similar to the cuboid, it has 6 faces. But the difference is that in cuboid we have rectangular faces. In cube we have got square faces. So I have got 6 square faces, 4 lateral, 1 top and a bottom, similar to cuboid. Now in order to find the surface areas and volumes of this cube, we have to have the area of each side. So I have got this side first, and in square all sides are equal, isn't it? So in the cube as well, all edges are equal. So I have got A and A. In square, the area of square is side into side. So likewise, the area of this square is A into A, which is A square. And similarly, because all edges are equal, this area is also A square and A square for all the 4, and including the top one and the bottom side as well. So I have got the areas of all the sides, all the 6 faces. Now let us move on to the derivation of surface areas and volumes of cube. Alright, I have got it ready for you on paper. Now we shall use this cuboid and the cube to get the derivations right. Okay, so first let us take the cuboid here. Lateral surface area LSA. So we have got all the lateral surfaces covered with areas. So let us add one by one. Now this L into H. So I'm taking L into H, which is LH plus B into H, BH plus, we have got L into H again, LH plus B into H, so BH. So because it is lateral surface area, we should not add top and bottom sides here. So let us keep it here. Now LH and LH, 2LH plus BH, 2BH. So now this LSA is equals to, what is common here? 2, and H is also common. Because 2H has come out, L is remaining, plus 2H has come out, so B is remaining. So LSA of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Now let us go for TSA. For that, we have already got the lateral surfaces covered. So I'm dropping them as it is. LH plus BH plus LH plus BH. Now for this, we shall add the top and the bottom. See here, we have got the top as L into B. So LB plus we have got the bottom as L into B again. So LB here. Now we have got 2 LH, 2 BH and LP plus LB, 2 LB. So TSA will be 2 is common here, LH plus BH plus LB. So this is the formula to find TSA of cuboid. Now we shall go to the volume of the cuboid. Now to get the volume is nothing but the space inside this box. Now we have got the bottom layer as L into B, and over L into B we can have one more L into B and L into B. Now this L into B is extended till the height h. So each L into B is multiplied with height h. So we have got L into B. Now this is across the height h. So L into B into h. This is our formula to find volume of cuboid. Now let us pick up the cube. And in order to get the LSA, let us take the same route, add up all the areas of the sides. So A square, A square, A square and A square. So we have got 4 lateral sides. So A square plus A square plus A square plus A square, which is 4A square. Now to this 4A square, we can add the top and bottom, and both of them are A square each again. So A square plus A square, 2A square here. So 4A square plus 2A square is 6A square. Now see here, the difference between cuboid and cube is that in cuboid we have got LBH, 3 different dimensions, whereas cube has got only one, which is A. So in place of L, B and H, we have got all A and A. Likewise, L, B, H, A. So L into B into H, in this case we have got A into A because L, B, H all have got the equal values in case of cube. So A into A is A cube. So these are the formulas to find the surface areas and volumes, and you need not remember them. In case if you forget during the exam, you can always have the derivation. Alright, I have got an assignment for you. Using these formula, try to calculate the lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of this cuboid. I have got a cuboid of length 15 centimeters, of breadth 8 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. So using these dimensions, calculate LSA, TSA and volume of this cuboid and answer me in the comment section. Thank you. Yeah, that's it from today's video. Thank you for watching and subscribe and share for more videos.